Welcome back. So far, we've learned why strength training is important, how our bodies become stronger, and how to build a simple beginner workout program. Now it's time to learn something even more important: how to perform exercises correctly. Good technique is the foundation of every workout. If your technique is good, you'll train more safely, become stronger, and reduce your risk of injury. The principles we learn in this module will help you with every exercise later in this course. Let's begin. Let's start with the most important rule in strength training. Technique always comes first. Exercise technique simply means performing an exercise correctly and safely. Many beginners focus too much on lifting heavy weights, but lifting more weight with poor technique is never a good idea. Instead, first learn the movement. Practice it slowly. Build confidence. Then, when your technique is correct, you can gradually increase the weight. Before every workout, you should warm up. A warm-up prepares your body for exercise. It increases blood flow to your muscles. It raises your body temperature. It improves mobility. And it helps reduce the risk of injury. A simple warm-up usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes. For example, you could walk on a treadmill, ride a stationary bike, or perform some light dynamic movements. Think of your warm-up as preparing your body for the work ahead. Never skip it if you can avoid it. Warming up for 5–10 minutes before lifting weights is commonly recommended because warm muscles are less prone to injury. Now let's talk about breathing. Many beginners accidentally hold their breath while lifting weights. Try not to do that. A simple rule is: breathe out during the effort. Breathe in as you return. Let's use a push-up as an example. As you push yourself up, breathe out. As you lower yourself down, breathe in. Proper breathing helps you stay relaxed, maintain good control, and perform each repetition more safely. As you gain more experience, you'll learn more advanced breathing techniques. But for now, this simple rule works very well. Our next important concept is range of motion, often called ROM. Range of motion simply means how far a joint moves during an exercise. In most cases, you should move through a comfortable, controlled range of motion. Avoid rushing, avoid bouncing, and avoid cutting the movement short just to lift more weight. A full, controlled movement usually helps your muscles work more effectively and improves your technique over time. Now let's learn another important word: tempo. Tempo simply means the speed of each repetition. When you lift a weight, move smoothly. When you lower it, do so slowly and under control. Don't swing the weight. Don't rely on momentum. Instead, let your muscles do the work. Remember this sentence: your muscles should move the weight, not gravity. Finally, let's talk about an important safety rule. There is a difference between muscle fatigue and pain. Muscle fatigue is normal. It simply means your muscles are working hard. Sharp pain is different. Pain is your body's warning signal. If you feel sharp pain during an exercise, stop immediately. Check your technique. Reduce the weight if necessary. And if the pain continues, don't continue that exercise. Remember, train hard, but always train safely. You now understand the basic principles of good exercise technique, and in the next module, we'll finally start learning our first strength training exercises. I'll see you there.